This one just took a swoop at me. They're trying to get high. Oh, the little birdies are here, waiting for something to eat. Oh, you're not gonna get it. They're gonna run into traffic one day, I swear. There they go. Off they go. Another 2, 3. Anyway. There they go. They go across the sky. There they go. That one's hovering. It's nice tonight, nice temperature. Nice warm but cool temperature. All the birds want more to eat. There's a magpie down there, wandering around doing whatever. Chasing bugs, I don't know. They're so clumsy, they're gonna like fly off into the traffic one day. Get close. They just wander around. They've got seeds and they've got water and they've got everything they want down there, but now they want bread over that, don't they? They're used to getting bread, so I have to leave them alone so they eat the seeds and drink the water like normal birds. Whole clutches of birds, they all go there. They're gonna get tired soon. They're not gonna wait around forever. It's very odd for them to hang around at sundown. They have to go back in their trees and not worry about eating for a night. There's still food down there. Not this time. Off they go. Good night, little birdies. You're not gonna get any food. There they go. Off to bed. They've had a day of munching on seeds, eating worms. Now it's time for them to go to bed. Pretty much. There you go, last one there. Now I'm free. I'm free to walk around my yard without being pounced.